Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I'm going to show how to make kanda Bhajia or kanda Bhajia onion pakoras. It's a simple and quick recipe where everyone will enjoy during tea time. So let's get started. In order to make, I have taken 2 onions. You need to slice them first. Few sprigs of coriander finely chopped, 2 green chilli finely chopped, should be finely chopped. So once you add fresh coriander and green chili, add salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder. Now what you have to do is, by using your hand, just give a little crush so that it start to leave water. Now add 3/4 cup of besan flour, mix it well. Now once this is mixed, sprinkle little by little water. Mix it properly. Guys, check the consistency. This is the right consistency what we require. Check this out. Now I'm going to add quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Check this out, this batter is ready now. So once the oil is already hot, keep your fingertips little wet in order to deep fry them. Keep in small portion like this and leave it in oil. Once they are golden brown on one side, turn them. Let it get color on the other side too. One thing to keep in mind, keep the flame on low so that they cook and get color also evenly. Once they are golden brown, remove them. Check how beautiful they are. This is how onion pakoras are made.
Oh wow, Dada made so lovely bhajiyas. Do try our recipe and you will love it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.